Hi, I'm Jordyn Collis. I'm a senior biology major on the pre-veterinary track here at UCF. So this past summer, I lived in Alaska for 3 months because I had an internship at the Alaska Sealife Center on the wildlife response team. So my work there was helping care for rehabilitated harbor seal pups, as well as 1 walrus calf and 2 common golden-eyed ducklings. My daily tasks ranged from medical care, so I helped administer medications, as well as husbandry care, so I prepped and gave them their daily food, as well as did a lot of cleaning to make sure our kiddos had a clean space to live. So I'm currently applying to veterinary school, and I'm hoping to focus on marine life. So I've worked with tons of marine life, not just our seals and our walruses, but also sea turtles, as well as sharks and manatees. So I'm hoping one day to not just be the care technician, but to be the doctor in charge of making the medical decisions. I'm also a captain on the UCF speech and debate team. So I ended up on the speech and debate team actually through an honors public speaking class, and the professor said, "Hey, you're pretty good at this. You should consider joining the team." And so my favorite part of the team, along with being a captain and helping my fellow peers, is I get to do a lot of advocacy work for the science and research that I've done, as well as disability advocacy as someone with chronic illness. One of my favorite things I do here on campus is I'm the president of a co-ed biology fraternity called Beta Psi Omega. So we are a group of people who like to hang out, talk about biology and science, and we created a safe space for people who love science, as well as doing community service and social events along the way. Some cool stuff I've done that's science but not quite veterinary is my research work. So I did do an NSF REU program, which was a summer research project funded by the National Science Foundation on how COVID-19 affected sea turtle stranding events in Sarasota County. And I've also done some research with Dr. Walters in the UCF Sea Lab on oyster reefs as well as microplastics. And we will actually be taking those research projects to the Surf International Conference in Portland, Oregon in November. So we're super excited about that. If you're interested in learning more about some of the things I talked about today, you can go to the Alaska Sealife Center Instagram, as well as follow BPO and Speech and Debate at UCF Speech and Debate and at UCF BPO.